Number 6. Learn Cebuano days and months. Hello, and welcome to our Cebuano lesson. Days of the week. Lunes, Monday. Martes, Tuesday. Miércoles, Wednesday. Jueves, Thursday. Viernes, Friday. Sábado, Saturday. Domingo, Sunday. Let's practice saying them together. Repeat after me. Monday, Lunes. 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 Tuesday, Martes. 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 Wednesday, Miércoles. 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 Thursday, Jueves. 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 Friday, Viernes. 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 Saturday, Sábado. 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 Sunday, Domingo. 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 Now let's try putting them in a sentence. Repeat after me. Lunes karon. Today is Monday. Martes ugma. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Mulakaw ko sa Miyerkules. I'm leaving on Wednesday. Kanus ata magkita? Huwebes? When do you want to meet? Thursday? Biyernes iyang birthday. His birthday is Friday. Magkita mi sa Sabado. We are meeting on Saturday. Mupalit ko sa Domingo. I will buy on Sunday. Months of the year. January. Enero. 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 February. Pebrero. 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 March. Marzo. 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 April. Abril. 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 May. Mayo. 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 June. Junio. 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 July. Julio. 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 August. Agosto. 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 September. Septembre. 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 October. Octobre. Octobre. Oktubre, November, Nobyembre, 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 December, Disyembre, Disyembre, Disyembre. Now let's try putting them in a sentence. Repeat after me. Birthday nako sa Hunyo. My birthday is in June. Mubiyahe ta sa Pebrero. We are traveling in February. Mubalik ka sa Oktubre? Are you coming back in October? Sa Disyembre ang Pasko. Christmas is in December. Now that we've learned the days of the week and the months of the year, let's review what we've covered. Repeat after me. Days of the week. Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Domingo. Months of the year. Enero, Pebrero, Marso, Abril, Mayo, Hunyo, Hulyo, Agosto, Septembre, Oktubre, Nobyembre, Disyembre. Great job! Learning a new language can take time and practice, but with consistent effort, you will be able to communicate with Cebuano speakers in no time. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.